thinking about trying out Lipobound? It claims to help with weight loss, boost metabolism, and give you results fast. But is it actually the real deal or just another hyped up supplement scam? Let's break it down. Quick disclaimer, everything in this review is based on public information and personal opinion. Always double check and do your own research, especially with health related products. So, Lipobound is marketed as a science backed fat burner promising to help you slim down naturally. Sounds great, right? But when you look closer, things start to feel a little off. According to malware tips, the site raises some red flags like vague ingredients lists, suspicious marketing claims, and poor transparency. And Scam Advisor also gives it a low trust score, pointing to concerns around ownership, lack of verified reviews, and unclear return policies. So, is LipoBound legit? Kinda sketchy to be honest. While the product might not be totally fake, there's just not enough trusted info to recommend it confidently. If you're thinking about trying it, proceed with caution and definitely talk to your doctor first. Now, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide on how to do it. Links in the description. Now, have you used LipoBound? Did it actually work? Let us know in the comments and hit like and subscribe for more real reviews on trending products and online brands.